Hi, I just got back from my classes. I had 2 today. I had my lecture, which is in a building I haven't had class in before, and it's in this really pretty building. It has like stained glass windows and looks like Hogwarts, I don't know. And then my second class, it's smaller, but it's an American Lit class, so it's like discussion, a lot of reading, had to get a lot of books. Also, we have a new addition to the apartment. Hold on. Come here. Here she is. Yeah, so my roommate got a kitten. This is Canela, which is cinnamon in Spanish. She is mostly black, but she has like little orange spots. I think it's called like a tortoiseshell pattern, but her little patches are like cinnamon colors, so I don't know, I think it's really cute. When I first got to school, it's been like 3 weeks since school has started now, she was even smaller. She's growing so fast. She's literally so perfect. Book haul of the books I have to read for my class. We're studying like a certain period of literature, 1850 to 55, I believe. So we have Fanny Fern by Ruth Hall, The Life and Adventures of Joaquin Murrieta, and The Scarlet Letter, which I feel like everyone has read it in high school. At my school, we didn't read this book, so I'm excited because I feel like it's a classic that you just have to read. I honestly don't know much about these books, so if you've read them, let me know your thoughts. Start your workout, Karina?
Yeah, did you?
How much time are you on?
Pulling 17 miles,
What? Good morning, it's 9:30. I'm about to go into the gym. I'm super tired. I just stayed up late doing homework last night and I still haven't finished, so as soon as I get back I have to do my homework and then I have to go to class. And then after class I have an appointment. So it's gonna be a long day, but we're gonna start with a workout. So I'm about to do my skincare right now using Philo's 3-step system. So thank you to Philo for sponsoring this video. So Philo has a new 3-step skincare system, which is super unique and a step above other 3-step systems because it has acne fighting technology that is a probiotic formula, unlike many other brands. Comes with the Fresh Gel Cleanser. the Fortify Probiotic Serum and the Fluff Moisturizer. It treats all different types of acne, including hormonal, diet-based, cheek and chin, and just overall stubborn acne. I'm just washing my face with the Fresh Gel Cleanser, which is non-foaming, and it gently exfoliates your face to open up your pores for the serum. And it has like such a nice fresh smell to it. Now I'm gonna go in with the Fortify Serum, and this has live phages in it, which just sinks in your pores and prevents and controls the overgrowth of acne-causing bacteria. My face actually feels like so smooth right now. And now I'm just gonna use the Fluff Moisturizer. This is super light but very hydrating. It just keeps the phages from the serum active. Actually just like leaves your skin feeling so soft. Phyla has given so many people that struggle with acne relief because it's just so different from other products. I love how it genuinely fights acne but also makes your skin feel super soft. So it really is the best acne treatment for fighting off stubborn acne but also having soft skin because it has clinically proven results. Some of the benefits of Phyla's 3-step system is that it's non-drying, non-irritating, you don't have acne relapses, and it increases your skin's microbiome diversity. The live probiotic in the serum goes to work killing the acne-causing bacteria but allowing the good bacteria to flourish and build a resilient microbiome. And consistent use of this guarantees the best results and guarantees that you won't have any acne relapses. So if you want to see better results with your skin, definitely try out Phyla's 3-step system, and they are having an offer in January and February of 25% off. So the time to try it is now. You can use the code EMMA25 on their website, which will be linked in the description, to access your limited time offer. So definitely check out Phyla, and again, thank you Phyla for sponsoring this video.